What's the meaning of apropos of? Apropos of. Apropos of.
Apropos of. Apropos of. The phrase, apropos of, is used to mean, with regard to, or, in connection with. It is typically used to introduce a topic that is related to the current discussion. For example, if someone is discussing the benefits of exercise, another person might say, apropos of that, I just read an article on the importance of proper nutrition for fitness. The phrase is often used in formal settings such as business meetings or academic discussions. It can be a useful way to transition to a related topic or bring up additional information without abruptly changing the subject.